How to manage followed peoples on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage followed peoples on Facebook mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here to go to settings, and now click settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now click this one, use feed, and then all you need to do is just click this one, unfollow, and here you will see people's you, you can unfollow them, or pages or groups or anything or anything, just you have just followed them. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.